Bufu ya me kanito me lock up no. And I me can born war. Na me facha me born the bear because me kasaka when you so.
Oh born the bear
I because no I wanted him to touch me. Me.
The bear man ni mu na boy.
I me boy we say on responding to me no.
What's all your muscle? What's what you born ni kuru amo? What's all a percent? Ni kunu bono na ni kunu mono. Who born kunu shuam? Hey, na everybody. O make us on the tufo. Now we have way tufo. You have way tufo. It means you have a problem mentally. Who are workers? It means problem will treat more mental problem. And now, that man no need to say no tiana. Na me man so Jimmy o para because who Kwadee obi also education won fam on pel. What say me pel? 1 year not your bet. Why Jimmy? Why should you follow a woman for 1 year? Are you mad? Accounting that year, maybe they do it 2 weeks.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
About Xposed GH, maybe I will be able to check and say na mount. Charlotte Odro, I cancel na no tutu ngofo for ani kuna jano no. I ono awansa na mabeka. Na nsebia makwate no me feel say Charlotte Odro bipolar. I one say sister back on them so no me pe. Because in some your can me who say abodam some say dey yo. Me tie akana me ma say e bra yi so. Ti we na okwaware no. But oyen tie Charlotte Odro mu da why.
Bufu ya me kanito me lock up no. And I me can born war. Na me facha me born the bear because me kasaka when you so.
Oh born the bear
I because no I wanted him to touch me. Me.
The bear man ni mu na boy.
I me boy we say on responding to me no.
What share that na wan share.
Me share that.
Oh.
Say na me buo fu say dey ya say onu obi kasa.
Nti wa dia wudi no wo say no na wi a wadi.
Ebufu say na ma.
Anyway.
So ubufu na se nyame ama unyansa ubese ne wawie ne wase no ho me butimi fo na mpese nka me kasa onka bi onka mo gina wo hwe me din enti me hu the kind of person oye no me buafu on feel ya enti me gasa we na watwan no okọ no wapie no no ne de me ma akoya kasa na mpese me pass ma no enti me kan ne bo wo no fa ne sanka me kan me se so that one sana hwe na me bi abada me pese nka me se sana de bia ma no na me chene say o wachi a oba bia sa na adwenye enti me ya wan ka hwe enti no the only way I met time be o me twa obetimi aye bibi say me bo ne be me boy still ano the only thing he did say was oh mama abeku me ho joye
na eye ne ya
abeku na de na wo kenye ne ya say se me susu ammo
na sofo de nka because o
bo abeku sofo ni power feeling why be power chow de me kuru kan say oh mama
eye ne ya
abeku me ho joye mania wu
e de o kan kwase me kwase me feel ma
oh me what's all your muscle? What's what you born ni kuru amo? What's all a percent? Ni kunu bono na ni kunu mono. No born kunu shuam. Hey, na everybody. O make us on the tufo. Now we have way tufo. You have way tufo. It means you have a problem mentally. Who are workers? It means problem will treat more mental problem. And now that man no need to say no tiana. Na me man so Jimmy o para because Kwadee obi also education won fam on pel. What say me pel? 1 year not your bet. Why Jimmy? Why should you follow a woman for 1 year? Are you mad? Accounting that year, maybe they do it 2 weeks. 2 weeks, man. I move on because you see, say obey who no power. A mutual attraction. I don't have to do so much to be accepted by you. Now, some me struggle. Me say, me worry cry now. You feel say you are above me. I don't believe you because my tipos are sitting in crasini. One call school papa biya. One call saito. One twaso. These are words of a bipolar woman. You don't get it. Maybe there's something because only maybe. So we are straighter. Some of these things it shouldn't even be public domain. Are you telling the people say? And they say, "Obi body kuru ma." It's okay. Is that what you say? But anya Charlotte kuru nkwa. Member bebrewa ya bo hwuam. Ebi o hod ma minimo bia ne yere abufu o papa TV o papa bibia wo ho ansa na ne ho ato no. ya wori abodafo ene de o matena fie be man bebre ya abodam se ne man bebre so ebodam no okwa wari make sure say nipa no wo ye same person na dwimu do enye sa na kwa wari obi based on the person who the person is you be found wanting kwade nsem yenwie ne manager abekasa wa bring it up deep revelation the former manager or can send me a person who could see me bra enkwamra
because was starting life be I say me person me kind of be so me who say no betimi akele ne down me obi a me plain but me boss so you obi a untimi kan ni pani say or can and from so awa ya kire wa untimi kan no straight but me a kind of idea if you say me kan e bebo a me kan kire ti me na abrebia me mani hu say me temu no me manahunu baby e say ne level ye de be ya edu ba no bin say nyam me mom and eso me ne yesa na ebo me boss na eso ne yesa but no so won ni say adwuma no so me na me ye adwuma ne man
okay
eti once a while be okoye ni o ma bi ma ye share meeting okonfo twito so obekume
twito
I tell you me brother twito said that you are a dead body after hear me ni strong boy na so
twito
ba nipa diao pen me boss would diao because the free mu adi nyina because okonfo ye be fa ne ye yisu ye card dada titro adwuma ne koso ne ade na me ka che o me boss o that time na me yisu golf me ka che boss o manya BM ne ho odin because one day me timi kwa akra more than 2 times we take a risk adwuma no so me boss ohwe me ntwantro di obenya no ma me bidi me ni amount a ode ma me sese ye adwuma na mfa so kakra be boss dada odie ni na me so boys e di mechi no me so mama o movie ana me ko hu se BM obi ton na BM no ho odin ne gina ne na so na so boss me uskase o nti so me so na me to BM me timi koto BM ne be kan me golf no me ka se one day bi no konfo ne ne guys bi so omonya program bi no mpese o mokobi eti omu hia ka na me boss friend so that I na fa BM no ye de be ya ma o monko konfo di BM ne ko ba ya onfa BM ne mla o si ne nyum sika nti onfa
ka ne ma
bio
waje
o da me boss e ma ka ne nyame dia e dada na ne dia ena dada no beto no sebi o didn't quit dada eti no that time no na fe me Kwadee oni mani nhia
wa na odi na chiko be bia
yeah because me na meka no kure na ye de be ya akire no no so mpe no kure no because one name a wo no me ka cho say mwa
okay
eti jai the focus will vision no so officer de ba ku bi na eboa wa yisu no na kika niam bomu papa niam be so be kika bomu ase wo eti me ne de woni me kun ya ba me so me yama you say me ma ono se be ye twapoma de ne nante ne twapoma ma ne nwa ma emu moyen ti o konfo no se me untie de me meka kire na ofi se no wa star na ye wo fa ye nya hwe a wasa obefane de ofi se wo ye beboa eti me kai say one of our night be that time 2002 na ye malo Kenya song of the year ewo National Theatre Accra ti akuste adenta ye nyine akuste adenta o konfo ni minto kwa what ayina ho no because na we kire ni niam bi a onya botere ho na de na ye koye because ye reza sa say ya program no because first time our National Theatre ho no
okay
ura ho no intino wo ye niam ma ne bro so abese ye de wo ye pese ye ti ono de afedru ba be de obeka bia no
continue
o pese o choso no na chiro nenyo o na chiro onyum a yesuso ne yesu ye de sika shame nti wo hia ye ne yesu ye hia wo eti no dru ba bi no na why stubborn nti ye wo namfo bi wo no ma odi ohun bo and the dusty one DJ bi so Accra the Kaiser fe no dru ba bi no mo na etu ne fo yes wo ye
okay
nti no one day no be ka kire say wa call record ama obi
am obi fufuro
yeah
Or that's what mo.
Or what ye camp no. And I'm a boss. Catch said dada. And yashi. Yen jani nyina manyame. Sabi dear what tree ain't chili say or the other bear. Or the boom. Cobra ya bro 100 we na. Sabi yes we be nya home for so. O say when ye in Yajuma biwa, yam found cocoa, yam found coffee. On your way. Timino, if you are no, and Mr. Tess, and then yet on Unquama. Cause of comfort selling, you know, you probably share a Juma pie,
Okay.
Inti Obiti said Dilawa, a buy a camp. Morris Nadenemaye, Mr. Drew, my yada, my check every by
Okay.
Morris Nadenemaye, and gospel be brighter manum, young baby. Mr. Drew said, oh, he taper. Na Dilawa then any slow kakra, but an umpono. Na because of more ho brasia ni niema binti no ye fane sa ti your confront na e pillar na wo ye camp was sabio nka nya botrema yen tua na adwuma ne so a na wo tie futuo bi din de nka yen pese ye na brabo a nka think say bia nka beboa ni bebre ba ya ne dru ba bia ubetimi de ponko akonsuo ho se onom ba untimi forso no fa ni trinya de ba ya enhye te dru ba bi no me de me be ye enemy kase because be hit me say si fa nyimi amfiri
Team ni mo a
enye ye mame ne ni no
hey
Kwadee asam no nyina ne say edu ba bi ahomaso ba mu da bia me ka say staying on top is not a problem. Getting to the top is not a problem, but staying there. And on the day, I say, Ghanaian managers, no, they don't have the psychological, experience to deal with some of these things. Because Osho bit some Morino. Such I'm not Cristiano Ronaldo, na Amamo Bobo on the mano. How does he do it? Manager, one of the ethics of a good manager is somebody who has psychological what? Background. It means that ultimately within the panel and ultimately who said this is the problem or putting him into the shoes of the problem that is able to work the way out. That is what you call say this is a man somebody can trust. But I had no your managers and they don't even know their life from their wives. Utie manager has someone kapana. It came to a time and it was difficult to control Kwadee. But that is the time as Sabi or your experienced person. Sabi obi a wasu adwuma ni year. Obo se baby adu no e ya kokro. You making sure say the person understands you to understand the person. But what say me na minim adwuma ma me nyama ode emfa. Because at that time Kwadee has become very 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 powerful. And no na your managers ni hu no. But all the same, let's pray for Kwadee. I think he's a great product. He's somebody that has taken Ghana to the world. So we should what? Pray for him and make sure that we will help him. I Xposed UHFM Ben Bros. On subscribe, me the tumpa na wonsaka be Manuel. Bye bye.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.